In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fly helicopters the easy way here in Battlefield 6. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, what you're going to want to do is essentially turn on assist when it comes to flying. Now, what this setting does is essentially make it so that all you have to do is press R1 to go up, L1 to go down, and the helicopter is going to automatically level itself out. So really, all you have to do is look where you want to aim and fire. It's super simple. To actually turn this setting on though, go ahead and open up the options button and then go into your settings by going over to the settings tab, just like so, and then go down into your controller settings right here and select edit settings down in the very bottom right. From here, you are going to have to scroll down until you see the aircraft section right here, specifically the helicopter settings. And you're going to see an option right here under control settings for helicopter control assist. Go ahead and tick this on. If you turn it off, you will notice that flying does become a lot harder. The left stick controls your left and right movement with altitude, while the right stick adjusts your pitch and tilt, kind of like flying a drone with no hover mode. So if you are new to flying in Battlefield, I definitely recommend turning assist on just to make things a lot easier to control and aim. I'm not a big flyer in these games, so I definitely keep this setting on as much as possible, but that's just me. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.